Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy, Old Deadly O. If you know me from the Gears Street, but I ain't on the Gears today. Ready to show y'all my 1984 Monte Carlo SS. Yeah, I'm in the process of restoring it right now. That's how she look, man. As you can see, man, I just put a new fender on there. I put it on a couple of months, but yeah, it's a new fender right there. She regular right now. Well, he is, but you best believe she finna get right. He finna get right. 1984, you see it. Couple more months, you won't even be able to recognize it. Antique. Flow mats, I don't know what side inch of the pipes is, but all that it'll be brand new. Everything. Motor should be in Tuesday. I'll repost the video showing all that. Yeah, man, it's a 1984 Monte Carlo SS. Let's get a look at this inside this thing. I got it for a little bit of nothing. Show that bitch all the way back to Gulfport from New Orleans. Yeah, she a little ragged down the inside. She the tails and everything, but best believe me, man, all this shit finna be changed and brand new. All this. Ain't got no headline, but like I said, all this finna be changed. Damn, my eyes just fucking up. Yeah, you see it. Look at this motor. Got the regular 305 in there. You know this shit, you know this coming out. Gotta pay to play, baby. It's a regular 305 right there. Like I said, my new motor should be in Tuesday, so I'm gonna repost another video showing that. Regular 305, it ain't too much. It's for sale, somebody wanna buy it though. Yeah, you see it. 305. Definitely gotta go. 1984. Crank this mug up, let y'all hear it. Take my little security thing. Let me tell y'all something. I had a 1987. And then, man, I usually keep it in my fence behind my other vehicles, but the one day I was sick, I left it in my front yard. Somebody gonna steal my shit. So they been watching my shit since I had the shit. I mean, I ain't no drug dealer, ain't no D-boy, none of that. I go to work 40 hours a week. I work hard for my shit. And for somebody to steal my shit, yeah, it got me for a minute, but like I said, I'm gonna bounce back. And that's what the fuck I did. Better bounce back even harder. Can't keep me down, whoever fucking did that shit. But yours coming. Yours coming. Karma's a bitch. Ain't been crank up in a minute for the crank up though. Just give it time. What I tell you. Sound alright, man. Sound alright. Better put a beast in this bitch though, believe that. Mark my word, y'all see this other video I'm gonna put up showing the restoration part 2. I'm gonna have that brand new motor in this bitch. That's what it do, baby. Turn that, put my shit back on. It's just a brief look. You know what I'm saying? Just a little start up, man. Just show you what the 305 would do. But wait till I get my brand new one in here. You're gonna hear a completely different sound. There you go. Locked in. Sure, I cover my shit up. Alright. Close the door. But like I said, 1984 Monte Carlo SS. You know what I'm saying? Just the start of my restoration. So stay tuned for more video because they will be coming. Please like, comment, subscribe. I greatly appreciate it and tell me what you guys think. Old Dead Old, I'm out, baby. Peace.